Welcome to Africa SMEs Support Group webinar for loans and grants. My name is Dean Njoko. I am the Global Africa SMEs Support Group Coordinator. At Africa SMEs Support Group, we are an organization and are dedicated to providing direct assistance to SMEs in Africa, particularly in Nigeria. So we support business owners, SMEs in Africa as a whole, but our major focus is in Nigeria. So there are two main areas we focus attention in is in practical acquisition or training for SMEs and also helping SMEs to facilitate access to business funding in two areas in the form of loans or grants or both of them. I want you also to remember this in this program. The only thing that can stop you from securing loan or grant from for your business now is if you fail to follow the instructions or the information I'll be giving to you during this program. So if you follow this webinar to the end and follow the information I'll be giving to you, you will be convinced that we are capable and you see how we are going to help you to get funding. And if you follow the process, you actually get funding within 2 to 7 days. The main point or the focus of this webinar is to give you all that you need to get access to funding or loan through Africa SME support. So I'll be focusing on two main areas. The first area is showing you that we are genuine and willing to help you secure loan and grant for your business within 2 to 7 days. I'll also be showing you the step-by-step process, how we are going to be helping you to secure loan or grant within 7 days. So these are the two main areas that we're going to cover on this webinar, giving you evidences, the credibilities that we are genuine, showing you things we have done, people who have gotten loans and grants and all of that. And we can do that for you within 2 to 7 days. And we'll show you the simple process you're going to follow to get that. So, first of all, I want to give you a background of Africa SME Support Group. Africa SME Support Group is an organization, as I mentioned, that focuses attention on helping SMEs in training and skill acquisition. And another area is in facilitating access to funding. We came to supporting SMEs to have access to funding during our last conference named Africa SMEs Conference 2023. It was on November 17th at Oriental Hotels, Victoria Island, Lagos. So we had that event. During that event, we discovered something. So the event is centered on the biggest obstacles focusing and facing SMEs in Nigeria. During the registration, we found out that up to 95 or 98% of the SMEs who showed interest in attending the program having a challenge of funding. Some said they're having challenge of getting access to loan. Some have said they're having challenge of getting access to grants. So the common thing here is that they are having challenge to get funding for their business. So because of that, we wanted to make the program to be different, wanted to be more practical, not to go and motivate people, SMEs, and go home. So in order to provide solution to this, we invited financial institutions who are capable of providing loans and grants to SMEs who are qualified for during the event. So we wanted them to come to the event. While the talks and programs are going on, they are providing access to funding, providing funding, grants and loans to the SMEs that we are present. That was our attention. But during when we discovered this, during the registration, time has always gone. It was like a month to the program. So most of the financial institutions said time was too short for that. But we had some that were present, like Sterling Bank was present and other financial institutions were present during that event, and they gave access to funding loans to individuals. And there's a company also who gave grant to other people who are qualified. So In the first phase of this webinar, I want to show you that we are genuine and really want to help you. Not just really, we are willing to help you. And I want to show you some credibilities, things we have done that show that we are equal to the task and we have the capability to help you. Then after that, then we'll now go into the step-by-step process you're going to follow to get this loan in within 2 to 7 days. So let me brush to my computer where I take you through some of the evidences and some of the things we have done that will show you that we are equal to the task. But before then, I want to mention that we are currently in partnerships with various microfinance, commercial banks, microfinance banks, individual fund facilitators, both local and international organizations, NGOs, government agencies, and ministries. So we are partnering with these organizations, and these collaborations are empowering us to offer you support, and they are ready to provide funding for your business in the form of either loans or grants. So I want to head over to our platform to show you who we really are, that we are not just coming up, we have been there. This is our platform. If you look at it here, it is Africa SMEs.org. That is the domain name of our website. You see, we help SMEs grow. And how do we help SMEs grow? We help SMEs to grow in different areas. This is our platform. Not just we are present offline, not just online alone. You look at it here. This how you can get us. This is our office address, Road 326D, Ikota Villa Estate, Lagos. So if you are familiar with Lagos, you know Lekki and Ikota Estate. So you can visit us in person. That shows that we are not just coming online to woo you for what is not real. This is where you can locate us, and you can contact us anytime. So this is our platform, our official website. You can come here and look at who we are more. Okay, I want to show you also the program we had, the Africa SME Conference 2023 that we had. This is the platform that we had it at Oriental Hotel on the 17th of November 2023. This is from the main theme of the program. Confronting biggest obstacles facing SMEs in Nigeria. We have loan and grant for business expansion, retaining top performing employees, getting your business to run without you, attracting customers globally. And as I mentioned, it was during this event, people showed more interest on the loan and the grant expansion. So we discovered that people are actually having difficulties in getting access to loan and grants. That what brought about this webinar and this initiative, in which we begin to partner with organizations that I just mentioned to help you get access to loan and grant in an easy way within 2 to 7 days. These are our speakers that we invited. They are from Smedan, from Back of Industry, from Smedan also. This is Smedan Southwest Zone Coordinator. This is the Lagos State Manager for Smedan. This is also from Microfinance Bank. This is the Group Head Business Banking from Sterling Bank, and all of that. These are the medias that we are present. We have this day, have Tribune Business Day. We have a TV station also, that's iBrand TV. This media company featured our event. I will show you. Here we have the logo of our partners, Smedan, Sterling Bank, and Lagos State Ministry of Entrepreneurship and Employment. Also, we are present during the event. I just want to show you that we are actually genuine and ready to provide you the funds that you need. We'll assist you doing that. This is the highlights of the program. Just want to give you some backgrounds on it. The Africa SME Conference 2023 at Oriental Hotel Victoria Line, Lagos. These are featured speakers. Look at this. This is the Mr. Shode, the Zonal Coordinator Southwest Zone from Smedan. This is internal audit manager from Back of Industry. We have also another person from Smedan. We have the Group Head Business Banking from Sterling Bank, and all of that. These are the events. These are the pictures that came from the program. You look at it, this is me here. I was the one who coordinated the event. This is the program. Look at the medias here. Look at, you see there a lot of persons. We had thousands of people that were present during that program. Look at it now. You see that there are a lot of persons. People were thickly involved in that program. See men that came for the program. These two persons were sent from Lagos State Ministry of Employment and Entrepreneurship that presented. You see them here. They were in the studio. So these are Sterling Bank. You see, other people were sitting down in a round chairs like this, but they sat here because they actually came to give out loan to eligible SMEs who were present. If you look at it here, this is the section, the time they were present. They were giving out loans. This woman is already processing her own loan. See this man here. These people also were present processing their loan during that time. This is how the event went through. This is our sponsors that gave out grants to business owners and all of that. This is the video highlight of the event. These are the medias that covered this event. I would like to highlight, you have This Day, you have Tribune, you have Business Day, Abran TV. All I'm doing here is to give you first-hand information and genuine proofs that actually we are, let me refresh this, that we are genuinely ready to help you get funding. All you need to do is to pay attention to this, watch this to the end, then follow the instructions I will be giving you. Then you get your funding within 2 to 7 days. It's just a simple thing. Follow the instructions and everything. I will provide you all the details.
So we're right here live at.
Okay, this is the recorded version of the program that the TV station put on their YouTube handle. It says Abran TV. That is that. Here is the Nigerian newspaper This Day that covered the event. It says Nigerian takes lead in hosting African SMEs conference to foster growth. If you look at it here, you see that this is the location that the event was hosted. You see it here on the November 17, 2023 at Toronto Hotels. Here we have also another radio station that this is Tribune that also Nigerian takes lead in a hosting African conference. And that goes on with also even the Tribune also covered that. This is another newspaper that also covered the event. You see that this Nigeria hosts African SMEs conference to drive growth. If you look down here, you see it's something on the November 17th, 2023 at Toronto Hotels. So these are the medias. I'm trying to give you the credibilities that actually we were there and we helped people. I'm giving you two focus. One, that we are genuine and capable. And the second is now how we are going to get that. And also let me show you. This is a market that is up to 3,000 business owners in. So we are going there on the February 22nd to 23rd of this year, 2024, to go and give loan to eligible business owners in that complex. So it's a Kota shopping complex which is in Lagos. So we also go to different markets to give loans to eligible business owners right there. I'm going to now watch some brief of the highlights of the program so that you listen to people who were able to get loans and grants during the event and listen to how they're expressing themselves to show you that actually they had value from the program Africa SMEs Conference 2023. Watch.
So we're right here live at Oriental Hotel, Victoria Island, Lagos, where the Africa SME Conference is holding. And of course, it focuses on the challenges that SMEs in Africa are facing. And of course, we're bringing it down home here to Nigeria to talk about issues of finance, issues of government policies, and all of the challenges, the bottlenecks that these small and medium enterprises face in Nigeria and of course in Africa. And we've got dignitaries right here who would be focusing on the challenges, hitting and talking about how these issues can be tackled headlong. And iBrand TV is right here to bring you a blow-by-blow account of how the event is happening right here at VI Lagos. My name is Omobolanle Adeshu. Stay with us. So we have right here the Lagos State Manager for SMED, Mr. Bumi Koledawodu. Thank you for coming for this event. So tell us, what are your expectations?
A lot, because I expect the hall to be filled with SME owners or business owners. I also expect that the hall would have regulatory bodies, for SMEs, for businesses in Nigeria.
So SMEDAN, Small and Medium Enterprise Development Agency of Nigeria, what would you say are the major challenges that SMEs face in Nigeria?
A lot of challenges. Most businesses, most SME owners just want to survive, right? They want to make ends meet, they want to, make money and all that. So one of the greatest challenge, you ask 9 out of 10 of them, is finance, okay? We need more money, I think that's one of the greatest challenge. CEOs or business owners should be looking at the word intrapreneurship, not entrepreneurship. Intrapreneurship, for employees to also take ownership of a particular role, that they need to play.
What I'm saying in essence is learn to negotiate your way when you have good people around you. Do everything possible to keep them. If you do this principle, you'll find out that even when they want to japa, they will consider that they have a stake.
It's very, very educating. I learned about how to manage my business and how best to get a loan from bank or any organization when I want to, steps I should take. So quite all right, I learned a lot and I'm very grateful for coming.
My name is Jeje Adenike Onye, and I learned a lot from this conference. I learned how to be a kind boss, how to source for funds, and I am looking forward to applying the things that I learned into my business. Thank you.
It's very educative. The most important thing I learned on this program is access to finance, which has been a crucial issue to all small-scale industrialists.
Okay, as mentioned, there are two focus. One is to show you that we are genuine and we are willing to help you. And not only that, that we have helped people and still helping. And the second now is the step-by-step process, how you can start getting funding now. How will you that is watching me get funding for your business? How will you get loan through us, through Africa SME Support Group? How will you get grants? These are the steps. Pay attention to the steps. The step one is visit www.smeloaneligibility.org. In that platform, you will check how much loan or grant you can access for your business. Then the second one is use the check your eligibility feature on the platform to check the requirement and qualify for the loans and grants. Then after you have done that, you download and print your eligibility ID. When you print your eligibility ID, then you present your eligibility ID to any of our partner financial institutions, either banks, individual facilitators, organizations, NGOs. All of them are listed on the platform that are working with us. So you present it to them either on soft copy or you go there physically. Some have their contact phone number there. Then after you have done that, your loan will be approved within 2 to 7 days. This platform, SMELoanEligibility.org, is the platform that allows all our partners to get your information. For those who are looking for loan and grant, when you log into the platform, it allows these partners to recognize you so that when you bring your eligibility ID, it is in form of certificate, to any of their, any of these partners, they will recognize you. And here in this platform, there is a fee that attaches to checking your eligibility. That fee is 5,000 naira. And because of our partnership with these organizations, we have a discount code that we give any of the SMEs that come from us. So you don't have to pay 5,000 naira for you to get loan or get access to the platform or to contact any of our partners for loan or grant. We have a discount of 2,000 naira. So you can only pay 3,000 naira. So with this discount, which is SME 2K off, that's the discount code, SME 2K off. Then when you use that, you'll be able to pay 3,000 naira from the platform. Now, the question you may be asking now is, what will be your benefit? What will you gain if you follow this instruction I've given you? And the first thing you're going to gain is that we are genuine and we are willing to help you secure loan and grant for your business within 2 to 7 days. So with the evidences I've given, it shows that yes, we are genuine. The second one is that when you present your eligibility ID to any of our financial partners, either banks, organizations, NGO, government agencies, individual fund facilitators, they will begin to process your funds immediately because they already know that you are referred by us and they know that you need loan or grant. So you don't even, without saying a word, they know what it came from, because that's one of the challenges of SMEs. They don't know what to do, how to start, how to approach bank, who to approach, when to approach. With this, all you need to do is print your eligibility ID, contact any of our financial partners, and then your loan will start processing. You also have a VIP treatment when you visit or contact any of our financial partners. You'll be treated, in a VIP, section. So that is how it works. Instead of you going there and begin to look for who to talk to, you'll be treated. Once they know that all you came for, they will treat you. You will enjoy low interest loans by being referred by us because we have made this arrangement, this partnership with them. Sometimes how commercial banks and their interest rate. So with this partnership, you can get lower interest rate, lesser than what you can get when you get a loan without this eligibility ID. Also, our financial partners, they are ready to support you and offer you all the necessary help you need, to get the loan. They will give you the orientation, help you to put your documentation right, provide you all the information that you need for you to, get access to the funding. Also, you'll be able to know the amount you can get, how much fund can you access, and what are the requirements for it. You'll be told clearly, blue and black, how much your business can access and the requirement, and they will help you to provide those things. And your loan will be approved almost immediately. As I mentioned, 2 to 7 days, you get your loan because you are providing your eligibility ID. And not only that, you have access to, opportunity to visit multiple financial partners. In case one does not give you a favorable terms or you are treated poorly, you can visit to any of them, one or two, until you get the one that matches your business. So that's why we have multiple of them, so that if one fails, then you can move to the next. And do not fail to provide us feedback after visiting any of our financial partners. It's very important to us. When you take your eligibility to the bank or to contact any of our partners, give us feedback. The feedback will help us to follow up with your application to help make your application run faster. And it helps also to remove any bank or organization that is not longer working with us as we agreed. So that is how how it works. We hope that you will follow these instructions and get loan. I want you to remember this. The only thing that can stop you from securing loan or grant for your business now is if you fail to follow the information I've given you now and visit smeloaneligibility.org, the website that is on showing on the screen, and print your eligibility. Try it now to confirm by yourself all of these things that I've said. If you have any assistance, always contact us. Always contact us. There's a brief announcement. We are currently seeking for partnership with market ESCO members from different states, organizations, local and state government agencies and ministries, NGOs, corporate society members, organization, pastors. If you're a pastor or a church member, we want to power your organizations. We want to power church members. So if you're a pastor, contact us. If you're a market ESCO member, contact us. We want to power your organization. If an organization member, contact us. If you have link to Lagos and local and state government agencies or ministries, contact us. NGOs, we want to reach out to individuals that need access to funding. We know this is a critical issue to a lot of persons and we want to bridge this gap. So reach out to us on this number that is shown on the screen. We want to partner with you to empower your members with loans and grants, and we can come in person to meet your members at your location. So we work offline and online. So contact us. We can come in person. When you gather these people in group, we'll come and give them loans with our partners. Partners will bring our partners to come to give them loans and grants to those who are qualified. Because our mission is to empower up to 500,000 to 1 million SMEs or business owners in each state of Nigeria using this initiative. So we want you to reach out to us. Please, if you have any question, let us know through our WhatsApp chat at the end of this webinar. If you have any question, have any concern, and anything at all, reach out to us. Start now. Get loan to empower your business with Africa SMEs Support Group. Start now.